Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video I'm going to show you the checklist template feature. Okay, so firstly please go to the project where you would like to use the checklists and go to the settings of this project. Okay, so there you will see a checklist templates tab. So here please click on new checklist template. Alright, so onto the name, please set a name that is going to fit your needs. In our example, we are going to name it, for example, the matrix testing template. Okay, so the next option is a category. So the category is not a required field. When there is a red star, it is required. However, here it is not required, but in our example, we are going to set, for example, management, category management. Alright, so the visibility, there are two options, to me only or to any users. In this example we're going to set it to be to any users. Okay, so here we see two other options, for all projects and default. The default option means that when you create a new ticket, then this checklist template is automatically inserted into the ticket itself. However, when you click for all projects, it is going to be a global template, and the default option is, of course, disabled automatically. In our case, we are going to set it to be for all projects. Okay, so the next step is a tracker. This option means that, for example, if we set a bug tracker, then this template for the matrix is going to be available only for tickets that are with tracker bug. Any other tracker is going to not have the matrix. We're going to leave it in this way. Okay, so let's put some checklist items here. This is a very important field, that's why it is with red star. It is a required field. So these are the actual checklist template items. Okay, so in our case we're going to list them, for example, Neo from the matrix. Okay, so the next item could be Morpheus from the matrix. It is very important to, when you write an item, please go to the next row, and it means that it will be a new checklist item. Okay, so the third one is Trinity from the matrix. The fourth one could be the Keymaker from the matrix reloaded. This is the second matrix. Okay, so yeah, the fifth one could be, of course, Agent Smith from the matrix, and the sixth one could be Random Agent from the matrix. Okay, so we have done our template, so please click on create. And now we see that our checklist template is added. The matrix testing template listed here onto the templates list. Okay, so let's go to the issues section and just test what we have done. So we click on new issue and we see that we have tracker task. So when we go to checklists and try to add a template from here, yeah, there is some other template, but our template is missing. But if we change the tracker to bug, as we have specified that our template is going to be related only to a bug, then this template is going to appear here. So you click here, you hover the mouse here, yeah, and then from template, and here we see management. So our matrix is here on the management. So we click here, just one click, and the template is automatically added. So we see Neo, Morpheus, Trinity, Keymaker, Agent Smith, and Random Agent. Okay, so we write some text here, adding the matrix template testing. So we click on submit. Yes, subject cannot be blank, of course. Matrix testing. So we click on create, and we see our checklist here. It is added from a template. Alright, the other thing that I would like to show you is that you could do this thing also globally. So we have added the template from a project level, but also you could do it globally. So in this case, please go to administration, that is on the top right corner, then scroll down to the plugins, and afterward select the checklists configuration. Alright, and here on the checklist templates you will see this option again. So we also see the matrix here because we have set the project to be for all projects, so it is a global project and it is appearing here. However, if we haven't selected this feature and option for all projects, then this template here would have not appeared. Okay, so this is important. Alright, so we click here on the new checklist template and set, for example, to be matrix 2 testing, to any users. And as you have seen here, because this template is created globally, then the for all projects is automatically enabled and it is gray, so I cannot change this. It is by design and a correct behavior because creating it globally makes it available global and you cannot change it. Okay, this tracker could be for example support, and here you could say matrix 2, the twins. These are the bad guys that were trying to kill Morpheus and the Keymaker, the Merovingians. I don't know how it is written, Merovingians. Okay, I hope this is the right one. Okay, and the third one could be the, I don't know, only these two. Okay, so we create our template, and here it is, matrix 2 testing. Alright, so the other thing that I'd like to show you is that you could edit and delete the checklist template. You could do it globally and at project level, of course. So to edit it, please just click on the pencil here, the pencil icon, and the template is open for you. This matrix template was created on a project level, however we are editing now on a global level, that's why it is gray here and you cannot change it. Okay, alright, so the change that we would like to make is to just change the tracker to be no tracker. Okay, so this matrix is going to appear for all trackers, and we're going to delete some guys from here. For example, we delete the random agent, we delete agent Smith, we delete the Keymaker, and we leave only 3 items. Okay, so we save our changes and return back to the project and see what we have done. So we go to issues and now open an existing issue, edit this issue, and see that we have a task tracker here. So when we hover the mouse here, we see that our matrix template is actually here, so it is appearing for all trackers. So if we change, for example, support, and hover the mouse again, and we see that matrix testing 2 is appearing now, but management and matrix testing is also appearing because this is appearing for all trackers. So no matter which tracker you select, this is going to appear. Okay, it is as simple as that. Okay, so we click here and see that our changes are applied and only 3 guys are here, Neo, Morpheus and Trinity. The other guys that we have deleted are no more appearing. Alright, so of course you could enable checklist here when you directly add the checklist template. Okay, so we write here testing, one more test, and we click on submit. So here it is, our checklist template was added successfully, Neo, Morpheus and Trinity from the matrix. Alright, so the very last thing that I would like to show you is how to delete a checklist template. So it is as simple as that. You see here on the right there is a delete button with a recycle bin. So we click on it and it asks you, are you sure that you would like to do that? Of course I'm sure. So you click on OK, and yeah, this is it. So it is deleted instantly. It is not going in some recycle bin and anything else. It is just deleted forever and ever. There is no more matrix 2 template. Yeah, so this was how to delete it. And yeah, actually this was the video for showing the checklist template functionality. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and put some comments, some likes, and so on. So thank you again for watching this, and bye bye. See you in the next video.